Welcome to Windows 4 Droid. We are pleased to present to you the official firmware for the Galaxy Watch 9 44mm LTE SM-L355N. Please note that this file is a paid resource. All relevant contact information can be found in the description below. Below, you will also find a breakdown of some of the key features included in this firmware. The following outlines several of the key firmware features available for this package. This solution provides the capability to unbrick the Galaxy Watch 9 44mm LTE SM-L355N, model SM-L355N, restoring full device functionality in situations where the watch has become unresponsive or non-operational. Additionally, it includes the ability to remove live demo mode, also known as retail mode, returning the device to standard consumer operation. The package also supports comprehensive watch repair functionality, addressing a range of software-level issues that may affect device performance. It is important to note that all files included within this package have been thoroughly tested and verified and are confirmed to be fully functional and ready for deployment.